YouTube, what's going on? My name is Austyn Hustles, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make the most out of Facebook groups. So if you don't know what a Facebook group is, pretty much it's a group on Facebook where you can join pretty much groups and niches that you prefer. So some Facebook groups that I'm a part of is the Amazon book flipping community, eBay thrifting community, and then also Vending Nation. Helps me with pretty much all my entrepreneurial journeys. Helps me with my book business, helps me with my vending machine business, helps me with my eBay business. And literally if I have any type of question, I just bring it right to the group. Pretty much the only thing you need to join a Facebook group is a Facebook account. Alright, so I encourage you guys to ask as many questions as possible on these Facebook groups, but it's not really beneficial to you or the groups to ask questions that have already been asked and answered previously. So to find these previously asked questions, all you gotta do is, you see them on the book flipper community right here, go to the little search tab, and if I have to ask a question, or like I have a question about shipping or something, just whatever my question is, type in shipping and we can see all the previous things that people have said about shipping. We can read what their circumstances are, see if it relates to ours, and if it doesn't, then we go ahead and ask our own question. But seriously, if it hasn't already been asked, don't be scared to ask questions, because chances are 90-something% of the time you're never going to see these people ever in your life, and they're not going to remember what you asked. Now, what else can you do with these Facebook groups? Networking. Let's say for the 10% of the time that you're in these random groups and you find someone that actually lives in your area, you can link up with them. If I'm trying to learn something for my vending machine business and in one of these Facebook groups there's just like a massive vending guy that lives in the same area as me, of course I'm going to hit him up and ask to, do something for him for free so that he can exchange me with some knowledge. Now, what's another way you can utilize Facebook groups? You can use them as a marketplace along with Facebook Marketplace, of course. So if you look up your area, buy, sell, and trade, you'll probably find these groups. They're kind of just like Craigslist groups pretty much, except for not on Craigslist and on Facebook, where they basically just buy, sell, and trade things in your local area. If you're doing something like I'm doing with books, where I resell books, I can post something and be like, hey, I'll take your books, I'll buy your books off of you, and I can get some more customers. Or let's say that I'm in a like super skateboard niche and I'm in a skateboard Facebook group and I have some skateboards to sell. Basically what I would do is I would post it to Facebook Marketplace and then send that post to the skateboarding group. I say that a majority of the time that I have a question about any of my businesses, I skip YouTube and I go straight to the Facebook group. I search, I see if anyone has asked the same question, and then I ask my own personal question and then I try to get a response. This is probably the main reason why I love Facebook groups so much. Because you can personalize things, and if you're in a big group, get answers quickly. It's just not the same with most YouTube videos. Like if you go to look up information on something, you could comment something and maybe you'll get a reply from the creator. But with these Facebook groups, people are in this group to help each other grow and help each other get better. So if you guys have any sort of side hustle or just thing that you're interested in, please join a Facebook group. For my Facebook groups, vending, eBay, and Amazon, the ones that I recommend is, let me go ahead and take screenshots of them right now actually. Book flipper community, eBay thrifting and sourcing group, and then Vending Nation. 3 of the most helpful groups I have come across on Facebook. They literally fueled my side hustles. I would not be where I am without those groups because I had so many questions to ask as a noob, and they answered all of them. Hopefully you guys learned something today from this video. If you enjoy this type of content, please go ahead and subscribe right down here to the left of me. I have some older videos right here. Please go ahead and check them out. But anyway, this is Austyn Hustles, and I'm out. Later.